Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Make sure the Ikea bulb is powered on at full brightness and the remote has a fresh battery. Once done, bring the remote within 2 to 5 centimeters of the bulb so radio range won't interfere. Press and hold the remote's pairing button, hold for about 10 seconds until the remote's indicator blinks. This triggers pairing mode. The close proximity ensures the bulb receives the pairing signal rather than other devices, which speeds and secures the link. Once the remote is in pairing mode, watch the bulb for a clear confirmation signal, typically a brief flash or brightness change, which indicates the link succeeded. If you need more bulbs controlled, repeat the same close contact pairing for each lamp, pairing them one at a time so they register to the remote correctly. If you prefer centralized control, make sure your TRAD-free gateway is online, open the IKEA Home Smart app, choose Add Device, and follow. The app prompts to include the remote and bulbs into a group for synchronized control. After pairing, test every function. Turn lights on and off, use dimming and scene buttons to verify each bulb responds. If everything works, mount or store the remote where you'll use it most, and note that line of sight and distance matter, walls reduce range. If pairing fails, try the key troubleshooting move. Factory reset the bulb by power cycling it 6 times quickly until it flashes, then reset the remote and repeat the pairing steps. This clears prior links and usually resolves stubborn pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.